Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, I will show you how to install YQPRIME plugin in AutoCAD. YQPRIME is the extended version of YQArch plugin. So in this video, I will show you how to install successfully and how to activate Pro YQPRIME in AutoCAD. You can make plan, elevation, section in clicks. Must download YQPRIME Pro version, activate and start exploration. Activation key, installation guide and plugin file. Okay. So concern your plugin file, YQPRIME version 27. Just you copy this file and paste in C drive outside. Okay, in your computer, C drive. Why? We want to place secure location where we do not want to remove, rename or anything. Just place here, okay, and we will install permanently. Install one time, use all time, okay. So come to AutoCAD and now type upload. Same like you load list routine, right? Locate your YQPRIME plugin, okay, and click on load. Because we are loading permanently, add to history, content, and in the content, load plugin here also, okay, and close. And same as it is close. This is the simplest step to install YQPRIME plugin permanently in AutoCAD. Now you see here, we have successfully installed the YQPRIME plugin in AutoCAD. And now you have to activate to unlock the Pro version YQPRIME, okay. For that, get Pro YQPRIME along with activation key. You will get 10 best practice drawing. So it is not just about purchase plugin, it is about connections, plugin updates, online training course, your personal problem, queries, each and everything will cover in this plugin, okay. And when you will purchase, you will get activation key, okay. Activate Pro YQPRIME and enter your activation key here. You must have stable internet connection to activate this plugin, okay. Now, our YQPRIME plugin successfully activated. Now you see here, you can make floor plan in just one click using YQPRIME plugin. You can make plan, elevation, section in just one time using YQPRIME plugin. Now you see here, we have extracted elevation. Making plan, elevation, section is so lengthy process. If you are a student, you must have to go with that process. But also, you must have to learn automation, how to make automatic planning. This will help you when you work in your time, okay? Same as it is section also. So this way, you can make plan, elevation, section in clicks. Must download YQPRIME Pro version, activate and start exploration. You will get online training course soon. Practice drawing, any question, any issue with this, you will be in my contact. I will personally guide you each and everything. If you are a student, there is no reason not to explore YQPRIME plugin. If you have anywhere any issue, feel free to mention in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.